think, Marge. All I need is a title.
All right. Welcome again. My name is GamerCat. You're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. Now you may notice that we have an extra star here from before, or we were playing the Divine Shield quest line. We were on casual. We had drained ourselves down to 0 stars here on rank 19. You may notice we actually have a star here, and that's because I've played 2 extra games, but didn't have my microphone on, so those recordings were useless. And in fact, I played 3 games. This first one here was fine. It was a good game. The second one I got because, excuse me, excuse me. There we go. The second one I got was because my opponent quit within the first 3 turns, and so I decided, hey, let's play a third game and keep it, put it as a double header, so to speak. And I managed to lose that game. So we're down to 1 star, and my intent is to basically play an entire month and give you all the video feed for an entire month. So if I make a mistake or something like that and don't have the microphone turned on, then I'll explain what happened. But basically, there's nothing we can do about those recordings because you can't hear anything. Anyway, we're back to playing our aggro warrior after finishing the Divine Shield quest. So let's get to it. You don't want to just sit here looking at that nice screen and listen to me talk. You want to see me play, I think. I've actually gotten a couple comments, really short ones, in the comment section. So far, the reception has been good. Oh, we're playing against the priest. Uh-oh. Continuing also the streak so far of basically starting the game too. Don't like this high stuff right here. Let's get rid of those 2. See if we can't get something a little less expensive for the early game. There we go. That's better. Much better. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hi. On. Get out there. Not the best start for patches, but okay. What you want to do, of course, is have him come out when you summon another pirate. That way you have 2 on the field. But for now, let's go ahead and get rid of this stupid North Sea cleric. And then keep doing damage to the face. Next one has to be these 2. Don't care. Okay. So what I'm going to do... oh, yeah, he's good. So what we need to do here is you to slow down the game. And you to give us... yeah. Have him with a 5-3. You. That. You. That. There we go. I want control of my board. Giving himself 4 mana. To silence everything! Guess what? Yeah, okay, it gets rid of the taunt. Okay, that's fine. But let's now start to beef everybody up anyway. There we go. Don't care. So, you've left yourself completely open, and you're going to pay for it. Okay. That's wonderful. Let's see, what do you do? When a minion takes damage, gain 1 attack. Very nice. I'm going to want you here in about 2 seconds. Oh, use Fireball. Go ahead and bring him out. Now, he's kind of pivotal. We want to keep him. You we can get rid of. Die, landlubber. And I don't care that he's going to take a card. He may not be alive very much longer. He's down by 21, not 21, but 21 okay, so he's down by 19 points. And he decides to concede. Okay, now, like I did the last time, we got to turn 5. I'll go ahead and put on an extra game here because, yeah. But we did pull off the win against the Priest. I'm usually pretty confident about pulling off wins against Priests because Priests really they really don't get much in the way of offense until the midpoint of the game, which we were just getting to. So let's go ahead. We got our win, got our other star. We are one game away from getting another 10 gold. So let's go ahead, and rather than wrapping it up, I'll just go ahead and try again. Give you another game. I think I owe you that, considering that, the mess up. So let's go ahead and give you another game. So this time it's our aggro warrior pirate deck versus another priest. This ought to be good.
The light shall bring victory.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get rid of you because I might get you back anyway, real quick. And you. Okay. And let's see if my gambit just paid off here. It did. Okay, good job. Good job. We start off second, which will be good. Okay, so we got you. I like you. And we're going to use patches and our weapon to kill this guy. You and you. There. Probably not the best thing to do, but meh.
Welcome to the exam.
I think we got the same deck almost that we just played. Okay. You. Should be a 3. That's not the best thing, but we're going to get this guy here pretty quick. So let's go ahead. You know what? Let's start hitting this guy. Let's see if we can't make him at least heal himself. Sure. My point is to take out stuff that's a little bit better. So let's see here. 1, 3 hook. Pirates have +1/+1, and that guy has charge. We have a weapon equipped. We need to get him out there. Oh, hold on. You can do both. There we go. Now we got enough to do both. Let's go ahead and get him out there now, and then him. There we go. Good job. Good Hearthstone player. Oh, but I fucked up. Oh, man. Oh, well, hit the face. I was just complimenting myself on my good Hearthstone play, and then I made a mistake. That was bad. I will take that. Okay, because right now, we're 1 away from that. Yes, there we go. Okay, so you and you. Give me a weapon again. Not that it matters for you. You're dumb. Okay. You know what? We're going to go ahead and we're going to continue to ignore his minion. We still have board control. Now, if I was him, I would take out this guy. Just saying. See, because he'll grow. And that's what he's going to try doing. The good news is, that's his attack for that turn. Urgh. Trying to do as much damage to my line as possible. Guess what, though? We've reached 5 crystals. So, all of a sudden, these guys are going to get fun. Don't care about this guy all of a sudden. And the next turn, I'll go ahead and throw him out again, and another one, and then him. Oh, my, oh, okay. Oh! Well, you know what? Yes. You know what? I have an idea. You. Go out there and die for your country. Go ahead. Lost my board state for a second, but let's see here. Trying to gain himself a little bit of life there. I'm going to have a little bit of fun here. Let's go ahead and say to him, taunt divine shield, equip a weapon, and different power. And we want this one. The ability to smack your enemy from the other side of the field. I'm out of cards. That's kind of a problem. Holding a dragon, so discovering another dragon. That's kind of concerning because the other dragon, yeah, he has two. Oh, there they are! Okay. Holding a weapon. That's good. Do you. And you know what? Let's ignore the entire field for the moment and just hit the face. Right now, I'm not sure. Oh, God. Okay. Damn. I hate Reno Jackson. I hate Reno Jackson. Damn it. I hate Reno Jackson. Let's see. I'm at 27. You don't do anything. You... No. That's not a good thing. You die.
But of course.
I don't need him doubling his attack. That's stupid. Ysera, hi. She's very powerful, but yeah, I'll just leave it at she's very powerful. Okay, now let's see. We got 10, so we can do this and bring out him. And you know what? We're gonna make you hit him. Oh, very nice game to... Oh, God, take control of him. Shoot. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, we got this one lost here. Not a problem, though. It was very entertaining. Got to see some cards I don't think we've seen before. This is the first game in roughly, I wouldn't say, about 17 games that we've seen Reno Jackson. Relatively annoying card. We'll go ahead and make the attack. What the hell? And then we'll concede. I choose death. All right. Well, like I said, Reno Jackson was annoying. So here we go. Go ahead and take our lumps and keep going. In the meantime, if you like what you see and hear, feel free to leave me comments in the comment section below, and in the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.